Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video I am going to show you how to create Goyard account on PC. Goyard is a well-known brand known for its products that are exclusive. To create Goyard account, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.goyard.com, then press on enter. With this, here you'll be taken to official website of Goyard. Now here you can choose your region by clicking on the EU option or the location sort form given on the top. With this, now here you can select your region. After you do so, now to create your account, click on the profile icon on the top. After this, here you'll be taken to the login page and create an account page. Now click on create an account option on the right side. With that, here you'll be taken to the sign up page. Now here you need to first enter your login information. First enter your email address on the given box. Then enter a password. Make sure you create a strong password with 8 characters, at least 1 uppercase, 1 lowercase, 1 special character, 1 number. After that, re-enter your password on password confirmation box. Then here you need to enter your personal information. First, select your title by clicking on the given box. With that, enter your first name, then enter your last name. Then select your preference language by clicking on the given box. With that, enter your date of birth on the given box. Now here, enter your phone number. First, select your region code by clicking on the given box. With that, now enter your phone number on the given box. After this, here you can also change your location. Then enter your address on the address box. You can also enter your additional address. It is an optional choice. Then select your state by clicking on the given box. With that, enter your postcode. Then enter your city. And then enter your zip code on the given box. Now, if you like to receive communication about the products and services through your email address, then you can click on the given box. After that, you need to click on the another box so that you give consent to the storage and processing of your personal data. With that, now here you need to enter the text that is shown on the given box. Make sure you enter the correct text. Then click on the option of create my account on down. With that, you'll receive a verification email on your mail address. So go through your mail and look for the mail sent by Goyard. Then click on the given mail. Now here scroll down. Then click on the option of activate my account. With this, now here you'll be guided to another page and you'll be able to create your Goyard account. As you can see here, my account has been created. This is how we can create Goyard account on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.